guys, the King Racer 007 here. Today it's more time for more toy bag of vintage Majorette Hot Wheels and Matchbox find. Let's take a look at it. But first, let's take a look at some cars I found earlier this week in my VH store. The first vehicle we have is I think a Ranger Rescue vehicle. Don't remember exactly his name, but look at this. The vehicle, it says Rescue Hot Wheels, yellow, with black, white, and blue stripes. Not too many chips on this vehicle. Next one is the same model, different paint job. This one is red. It says Oxygen First Aid number 50, emergency units, black wall tires. Next we have a Yatming Corvette. Looks to be a nice race car painted skin on it. Steel grip tire, ABC number 99, with the racing flag on the panel here. Nice little Corvette. One of my favorites of this week, we have this wannabe General Lee, I will say, Dodge Charger 69. This one says Dodge Charger on the base, made in Hong Kong. No scale model manufacturers on the base, but very nice. We have an American flag with Charger America as the decal printed on the vehicle. We have this Yatming pickup truck, which is a Chevy. This one has a moving tailgate in the bed. Vehicle features suspension. Unfortunately, the front axle is destroyed, so I'm going to have to replace it. And maybe this truck will be a nice candidate for a restoration video. Next we have this weird looking Type F1 car. This one's a different brand name. This is FAE E. This is the Tiger Jag 18, made in Hong Kong. So yeah, pretty weird or pretty cool at the same time. Orange is metal, the rest is plastic. And finally we have this fantastic looking Cadillac. 35 Cadillac, I think. Doesn't sound the base, but yeah, 35 Cadillac. This one will have the white walls and a nice blue metallic paint scale on it. So yeah, now let's open the nice bags here. Let's see what we get. Okay, here we go. First bag. Right off the bat, we have this Land Rover police unit from Matchbox. This is a roll-o-matic model. So when you press the back axle, the light here will turn and simulating the flashing light on the top of the vehicle. This is a Land Rover. You have a police decals printed on it. This one looks to be have painted the rims. Maybe a little girl owned this one and paint this in hot pink, but nice model. Looks like she also owned this tractor from Majorette. Yeah. And what's the scale on this model? 1/65th scale, number 208. Nice Majorette tractor. All plastic wheels. Next we have this weird truck. This is a Scania, Majorette also. This one has a little siren light on top, which is pretty cool. And we have some weird non-desirable cars that I will not keep in my collection. These will go in the bags for selling. Next one. I will keep the most interesting cars out of this. And this is an interesting model. This is a nice looking Jeep. Very rare to find this guy still with the plastic back here. This one have painted wheels again, just like the tractor. So probably the same owner. Made in France, Jeep. Number 154 scale, excuse me. Very nice paint job, like this looking brown orange type color. Another truck. This one's missing the trailer. This one's the Majorette red truck. Almost the same scale as Scania. Oh, this is a nice car here. We have a Ford Torino. Big blower on the top. Nice chrome base. Made in Hong Kong. And this one has suspension. I didn't get suspension on this bad boy. So it's gonna be good to put this car on the track or on a drag strip. Plastic car, no thank you. Ooh, this one is also very nice. It's a Majorette camper. Mint, or near mint I will say. Very few chips on it. This one still have the doors in the back that open up. Still have the decals. Camping nature on the side. And the plastic cover here, which is very cool. So nice vehicle, pretty heavy, all metal. And yeah, this was a super surprise for me. Found this bad boy here, which is a real rider. Formula Fever, Hong Kong, 1982, from Hot Wheels. Big score here. Love this vehicle and fine. It's one of the big, huge Goodyear tires with the big treads here. So yeah, very cool little car here. The tempo's a little bit messed up, but otherwise, this one's pretty. Yeah, this bag, not interested in those big tractors here. The only model I wanted is this Majorette G. Once again, similar to this one. But this model is pretty rare to find with the regular base. Normally you will find this model with the huge, ridiculous bases, just like I have a sample here. I don't have one near me, but normally you will find one with the ridiculous base, like super deep and with the huge off-road tires. But this one just have the regular base, made in France, Jeep, same scale as the other one, and you still have the plastic on the back with the lights and the gas tank here. So pretty cool, love it. Another Majorette. This is the Excavator. No, it's a Matchbox, excuse me. Matchbox Excavator, pretty nice. Love this one. Gotta keep it in the construction collection. And we also have this tractor here. We have a big blow engine. Made in England, Matchbox Lesney Pro, 1972. So this one's pretty old. With the weird looking pink color. So, pretty cool tractor. Oh, this is looks like to be a huge Tonka, but I'm not collecting Tonka, so this one's gonna go. Same for this childish bulldozer type vehicle. Up next, let's rip open the what is it? The fourth bag. There we go. Ooh, no! You're not gonna fall on the ground, you bad boy. I think Shoebox is the name of this guy, based on the Ford race car from the 40s or 50s maybe. So, pretty good condition on this one. No chips. Oh yeah, this one is very nice. Matchbox dump truck. A little bit rough in the back. Oh, looks like I have a little glue in the back. I'm gonna have to fix this one and wash it on the little bat we have here in the basement. But no chips on the red paint job, and the base is pretty good, except the pink Sharpie is right in the back. Plastic van, no thank you. Oh, this one's also very nice. First I thought it was a Renault, but it's, I think, a Simca 1100 Ti. It's a Majorette model, made in France. This one says Club Louis on the side. Also have this little Port Louis on the hood. But yeah, pretty cool little hatchback car. I did have one before that, but it was all messed up and missing the back here, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one and only keep this clear one. There we go. Next, we have a Dodge Matchbox truck. This one's a little bit broken. but still pretty cool to find a vintage Matchbox in the bag. And oh yeah, this one's also very nice. A Majorette Mercedes fire engine. And in France, Pompier Aéroport. 170 scale, and this one still have a gun on top. So pretty cool. Love it. Alright, next bag. Give some more. Oh, hoo, 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 hoo. Yeah, boy. This is one of my favorite of the find of today. This is a Majorette Chevy Impala police car. Dead mint, or almost. Base is perfect, I will say. Very few chips, maybe a little bat once again, just like the old Jeep, but yeah, this thing is very, very nice. And my camera still doesn't want to focus real well, but you know. So, nice find for this one. And also found this baby right here, this Ferrari. This one have opening hood and wide tires. And this one's a nondescripted truck, so no thank you. Here we have a Hot Wheels Ford truck. Bad motor. Probably based on the old Ford Ranger off-road type truck. Pretty nice. Ooh, we have a Majorette Ford Bronco. This one's missing the back window. And it's pretty messed up. You can also find this casting in the Majorette Sonic Flasher series with light and siren working. Another one here, we have the Majorette, what is this, Dépanneuse. This one, I've broken the hook in the back. Still have, what is this? No, this is Stampo, not decals. I have kind of a weird tape on the hood here. But this one's pretty messed up for the vehicle, but I think it's the first time I saw this GM with the disc skin. And next we have a Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Targa. This one's based on the old Corgi casting. So 2 more bags to go. I don't collect Disney cars, but there's Raymond right here with some. I never seen those wheels before. I think this may be a premium set. I don't know. Oh, this one is a Renault Clio. I think yeah, Renault Clio BB85. This one's fairly recent. I have the 5-spoke wheels on this one, and you also have a tow hitch. Put some trailers. Oh my goodness, this thing is ugly. Oh my goodness. Volkswagen, what is this here? Rabbit? No, Golf GTI Convertible. Oh my goodness. First time I saw this one. In the Maisto line. Ooh, we have a Majorette bus. Trans World Airlines. TWA. This one is a pretty good condition. Plastic is not broken. And this bus has passenger. Oh my goodness. Well done, Majorette. That's cool. Oh my goodness, this thing is so ugly. No thanks. And this Corvette's seen better days. Oh my goodness. It's a Johnny Lightning and it's absolutely destroyed. Missing the hood, missing the top here. Oh my god. No more chrome or anything on it. Good for the junkyard. And then we have this Combat Medic. This one is pretty. Yeah, Combat Medic made in Thailand. And this one, oh yeah, this one still have the opening doors in the back. Yeah, nice truck. And the last bag. Before I ran out of batteries. Oh, Majorette Mercedes truck carrying animals. This one has a missing door and a broken top. Oh my god. Probably a kid that dropped it on the floor and messed it up. Majorette. Here we go. So first truck and bam. This bad boy here, a Peterbilt cement mixer. This one's pretty good looking. A little bit dirty, but it's gonna be cleaned up. And well, I ran out of battery, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. Peterbilt cement mixer. So this one's gonna be cleaned up and it's gonna be good to go because it's absolutely beautiful and minty. Oh yeah, this is the jig I was talking about earlier in this video. See this big base? Absolutely ridiculous. This is why I prefer this version. It's much more realistic and balanced compared to this piece of shit. Excuse me for my strong language. And this is a Mustang. Oh my god. Destroy Mustang, official pace car. And looks like a kid painted in the weird green color and cut off the top here. So rip Mustang. Gotta go to the junkyard. And we have here a dragster, McDonald Hot Wheel car. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep this bad boy for the last review. Chevy El Camino from Hot Wheel. Oh my goodness, from Majorette. Opening doors, metal base. Yeah boy, that's how we do it for the vintage castings. And this big boy here, what is this? It's a Majorette 3000 truck. This one's a little bit busted in the back. The plastic cover is destroyed, missing the side view mirror. But this one is an all-metal truck. I think this one's probably a Volvo or Renault, maybe a Scania. I don't remember the name of this guy actually. But this is a 3000 Majorette truck, so normally we'll have a huge trailer that comes with. So I only found the tractor, but I have plenty of trailers here that are waiting for a new truck. So this one is going to be in the box with other trailers. So this is the toy bag haul for today. I hope you enjoy all my cars and the video. And I will see you guys next stop motion video in our next presentation featuring more toy bag of vintage cars, diecast cars. Happy hunting everyone.